How to make home screen auto rotate on Android phone or tablet. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically there are two modes, portrait and landscape. And if you want to make your screen auto rotate, go to settings. After that, search for auto rotate. If you cannot find it over here, all you have to do is drag down the navigation bar, and here you will see the option of auto rotate. Simply turn this on, confirm done, and now as you can see this is in portrait mode. Now when I turn this in landscape, it will be in landscape mode like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.